What's up guys, today we're going to kick off a sweet 5-minute core series. It's only going to be alternating between 2 minutes. What's up guys, What's up guys, it's Kevin from Casework Fitness, and today we're going to kick off a sweet 5-minute ab workout. All you need is a mat. It's going to be super simple, but it's going to get challenging real quick because we have 2 movements. We're going to be cycling between 20 seconds of V-ups, 10-second break, 20 seconds of mountain climber, and we're going to repeat that 4 times and then go directly into flutter kicks. Real quickly, I'm going to go over the different movements. Kilo, come on over here. The first one, actually come over here, Kilo. The first one is going to be sit. The first one is going to be once you get to this hollow body position, and we're going to go V-ups here. If you can't do that, I want you to hug into your knees. And if you can't do that, I want you to hit some sit-ups. So we're going to cycle between 20 seconds of a V-up variation, and then we'll flip over, and we're going to go hand plank mountain climber. Everybody is doing that one. We're trying to get the knee to contact the elbow or as high up as you can. It's going to be great, short, lower abs, and then obliques on the mountain climbers. Once we finish, we're going to lay on our backs and get 60 seconds of flutter kicks. We'll do that one together, but get your mat, get ready, 5 minutes. We're about to kick this puppy off. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest between stations. I'm going to get the clock going. All right, we're up in 5 seconds. First one is the V-up. 3, 2, 1, V-ups, 20 seconds. Let's go. First set's gonna feel the easiest. For 20 seconds, we can get a good amount of reps. We only got 5 minutes here, and time. So let's get a good challenge. 10-second transition, flip over. Take an inhale. And here we go, 20 seconds. Knee to elbow. These are not fast. We're going quality. Make a big crunch in the obliques. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10-second transition. That's all we're doing. We're cycling between those 2 exercises. Make any modifications you need. 2, 1, V-ups. Here we go. Oh, the burn is already setting in. Ah. Come on. Everybody get 3 more. 1, 2, yeah, 3. Let's go. Come on, 3, 2, 1, mountain climbers. Set 2 is when your mind starts to play with you because your body starts to talk to you. But tell your mind that you got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 down, 2 to go. It's going quick, 5 minutes only. Let's go guys, 3, 2, 1, V-ups. Come on. Make any modifications like you need to, like I just did. Switch to tuck-ups. Switch to sit-ups. Whatever you need. 2, 1, ooh. 3 down. Come here. Lay down. 3, 2, let's go. Halfway, guys. Staying strong. Come on, 4, 3, 2. It is our last set coming up. Let's freaking do this. Last set. Come on, guys. 3, 1, inhale, and go. 20 seconds. You can work for 20. Come on, don't stop with me now. For 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Mountain climbers. It's spicy quick, I told you. Mountain climbers, here we go. 3, 2, 20 seconds worth. And then we got one last finisher. The higher up on the elbow, the better. 4, 3, get ready for the burn. Flip over on your back. Put your hands right under your tailbone. We're going flutter kicks. 1 minute, guys. Here we go. Look at your belly. Small pointed toes. Let that fire burn. Try to get your breathing under control. This is the last thing. 5 minutes. Can you stay strong? Oh my gosh, it's burning. Keep your chin to your chest. Halfway. I'm hurting too. All right, no matter where you're at, if you've dropped, get back in it because we're on the last 15 seconds. 10, 9, come on, 8, 7, 6, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, time. Nice work. Just like that, guys. 5 minutes, quick. Got the abs, got the obliques, got the lowers. Super brutal. Guys, I wanted to interrupt this video real quick to remind you to smash that subscribe button. Let's get back to the video. Couple of things for you. The V-up is tough. If you struggle with the V-up, in the description below, I'm gonna put a link to a full video tutorial and the modification. So in the future, if you're more comfortable with the exercise, if you were feeling it more in your back than in your core, check out that video so you can move better. Second thing for you guys, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Like this video, comment down below if your abs are on fire. I know mine were. And then also down in the description as well, you're gonna see a link to 2 different things. We got a free 5-day ab course where we'll take you through workouts just like this, 5 days a week. Katie and I will actually be doing modification, so you can follow me for the harder one, Katie for the modification, and vice versa. Some days she does the harder ones, some days I do the modification. And then lastly, you'll see a link to join our fitness app where we've got you plugged into all types of resources, 800 different videos, whether you're working out from home or just want a cardio and you want stuff like this on a daily basis, and you can find all the details out as well. You guys keep training hard, and I'll see you in the next one.